Oh, I'm Joe Gunn, and today we're cooking Borg. Today on your grocery list, you're going to need lamb mince, brioche bun, rosemary, tomato, garlic, red onion, and rocket. Today's item is pestle and mortar.
Whip out the pestle and mortar. Get a little piece of garlic and crush it with your hand and knife, and then cut it with the knife.
I just like the sound of it.
Take some rosemary and take off the leaves of the rosemary. Chop those up as well with the knife. Keep chopping them with the knife. Don't stop. Now put the garlic and the rosemary into the pestle and mortar with salt and pepper, and then we'll crush it up with the pestle and mortar. Get some lamb mince. Open it up.
I just like the sound of it.
Take the stuff you made earlier with the rosemary and put it in your hand. Now put it in the meat. Make sure you make enough mix for your patties. Toss it back and forth to give it the round shape you're desiring. Feel free to add cheese if you want. Yum yum. Cut up the bun. Put those bad boys in the oven, on the grill. Now cut up some red onion.
I just like the sound of it.
And now put the red onion in the pan and fry it all up. Whoa. Add some of those rocket leaves to your bun, and then put the patty on. Yum and cheese.
I just like the sound of it.
Ooh, freshly cut tomato. Don't mind if I diggity do.
I just like the sound of it.
Apply a sauce of your choice to the bun. We chose mayonnaise, but you don't have to. Whoa, that's your burger. Thanks for watching.
Now that was one beefy boiger. Hope your family enjoyed it as much as mine did. Sayonara, compadres.
Yo, compadres, be sure to catch the next sizzling hot episode of the Culinary Compadres. It's stir-fry-icious.